I'm about to show you a $200,000 winning product. What's poppin', people? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, back with another video, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then hello. If it isn't, it's nice to see you again. But if you get some value from this video, please do, of course, like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And be sure to hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all of my latest content, so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I am working super hard behind the scenes on my upcoming course. So if you want to be one of the first to get notified when it's released before everyone else, then make sure you jump on the list. There will be a link down below. Click on it and get on the exclusive waitlist. But putting that aside for a second, I wanted to drop a video and show you and basically reveal another six-figure winning product. And not just show you the numbers, but actually reveal the product on Aliexpress that was being sold. And of course, then break down how I was able to increase my average order value. And then of course, talk a little bit about how you can get this set up, and of course, some targeting for the product itself. I'm doing a giveaway on this video as well. The best comment will win $20. I do them pretty much on every single video. So all you got to do is drop a comment down below. The best comment will win $20. I will literally just send you it via PayPal. Use it via an ad set. Use it for testing. Use it for, whatever you want. The money is yours. Now, of course, this video will be full of valuable, action-packed content that you can go away and implement into your stores ASAP. So make sure you watch all of the video, stay to the end, most importantly, implement what you learn. So let's quit the talking, jump straight into the computer and start learning. Right, onwards to some value. Let's crack straight on with this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some numbers that the product actually generated. Then I'm going to talk about how you can increase your average order value, how we actually done that. Then I'm going to actually reveal the product as well that we were selling. Then I'm going to talk about how you can actually increase your average order value in practice. So actually showing you it on a website and in practice. Then I'm going to actually talk about some targeting as well for the product. So tons of value in this one, of course, nothing but value bombs. So make sure you stay to the end, and most importantly, implement the information that you learn. So as you can see here are the numbers, close to $200,000 generated. And let me just hit refresh really quickly, just so you can see the numbers are still 100% real and still there. Okay. So again, $200,000, $198,000 to be precise. But most importantly, what you can see here is if you scroll down, people, if they purchase more, they get more of a discount. And this is something that I've mentioned before, and it's called using the variance to essentially offer a discount for people purchasing more than one product. And it's a fantastic incentive to do. I love to use it and it works fantastic. Because if you look down here, you can see, close to $18,000 that were generated for people purchasing 2 products. Okay, and if you scroll down, obviously the more that people purchase, buy 3, save more, buy 4, they get extra discount and stuff like that. So it works great, and increasing your average order value is something which is super important. Because the higher your average order value, the more essentially you get to spend to acquire a customer. You can spend money on Facebook ads because your average order value is going to cover those costs. So it's a fantastic strategy that I like to personally use. Okay, and if you didn't have the discounts, buying in discounts on there and just had the quantity, it's not likely people are just going to purchase 4 because the price will just be too high. There's no incentive there. But now that you've seen the actual numbers, let's reveal the product and show you the product in question that generated these sorts of numbers. Right, so here is the product in question. Let me scroll up. It's a LED light bulb, and it's not just any LED light bulb. It's a flame. It replicates a flame effect, so it looks super cool. I think there's a GIF here as well, as you can see. This was a product that we were selling last year. It pretty much went viral. It was something that I saw already being sold. Okay, it had great engagement, so I just had to test it out. And if you look here, you can see there's what it does is it mimics having a live flame indoors. It looks super cool. I thought it was wicked and probably would purchase one myself. If we scroll down here as well, they have got a video. I will play it really quickly. I already have muted it, so hopefully no sound comes out your headphones. If it does, please forgive me. So as you can see, it mimics a flame, having a flame inside of a light bulb. It's got 3 different modes. Pretty cool, quirky, unique product. Okay, and obviously you've got marketing materials there. You can see how it looks. It's a fantastic product, and like I said, I probably would have purchased one myself. Now, I was just selling the E27 one at the time. Why? Because the E27 is the most popular. You can just do a Google search for this, which is what I've done. The E27 is the most popular one used in the US and in Europe as well. So having that and using the average order value trick that I'm going to show you, it worked fantastically. So how can you actually increase your average order value using the variance? Well, let me show you exactly how to do it. Now, let's say, for example, you have a product, okay, and this is the product that you're selling and you want to implement this little strategy. Well, if what you want to do is you want to scroll down to variance, and you can see here what I've done is I've added some in. I always like to call the name of the variance discount. So people instantly know that they're getting a discount. They have to select a discount to continue to purchase the product. So right away, the customer knows that they're getting a discount, which works great. And what you can do obviously is then list the variance and the more that they buy, the better discount that they get. Now you can go on for, as long as you want, buy 4, buy 5, buy 6, and so on, and just keep increasing the discount. I've just gone up to 3 here, and as you can see, what you would do, of course, as well is change your prices. So you'd have to work out your margins on, what you can afford to sell it for, what discount you can afford to put on there, and obviously you compare prices as well, match that all up, so it's all in sync and looks fantastically. But if we just click save on that, just to show you what it is like, so as you can see, there are our variants, and this is what you would do. Scroll down, variants, and now if we have a look at the product, you can see here instantly what it looks like. Okay, so the person lands on the product page and can see that they have to select a discount to purchase. Buy 1, they say 50%. Buy 2, they get 50% off plus an extra $10. You can set this to whatever you want, like I've mentioned. So it's a great way to increase your average order value. Now, your quantity selector will be there. Okay, if you've just got a standard theme, you can hide quantity selectors in premium themes. I personally, what I've done was just hired a developer to hide that for me. Okay, so I can literally, select in my product page whether I want a quantity selector or not. Developers are super easy to hire on places like Upwork or Fiverr. They don't cost an arm and a leg to hire, and they can knock this out in a matter of hours. Okay, so I always like to, if I'm using this strategy for a product, I do like to hide the quantity selector because it can become a little bit confusing for the customer and sometimes yourself, for a person to purchase 2 or purchase 3 and the quantity still say 1. So just hire a developer and get them to hide that. It's not hard, it's really easy to do. So fantastic strategy to use. So let's talk about some targeting for an actual light bulb, okay? Because the product itself is not something that, it's not a problem solving product. It falls on the opposite side where it's cool, quirky, and has that viral effect because it's something that looks unusual and looks very cool. Now, don't overcomplicate things, okay? For selling a product like this or testing a product like this. So if we have a look like here, I've already put in one, but I would just put in something like LED and light emitting. I think that is the full name for one of them. As you can see, 36 million here. And what other suggestions have we got? So we've got LED lamp, LED you wouldn't want to use LED display because that's TVs, lighting, lighting designer. So if we click lighting a minute, click off there, and we can see LED night light again is another one, because of course people can use this as a night light. People have bedside tables with lamps in it, bedside tables with lamps on it, sorry, so they can use this light as that for a cool effect. Lighting designer, interior design, lamp, if we keep scrolling down, Indeset light bulb, which is the old version of lights. We click on that as well. If we hit suggestions, again, night light bulb is another one. Again, so, you know, there's no real need to overcomplicate it, and you could literally just put, you know, separate these all into ad sets, okay? So one that is just night light, you know, and then duplicate it and put one that is, you know, LED lamp and stuff like that, and just test which different ones give you the best reactions. And of course, you know, scale those up that are working for you and cut the ones that are, you know, not bringing you any sales whatsoever. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and of course smash that subscribe button. And remember, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so you stay up to date and get notified for when I drop my latest video. Now, if you did enjoy this video, you're going to absolutely love my upcoming course, okay? It's full of stuff like this. So click the link and jump down on that exclusive waitlist as soon as possible. Remember, if you do want to win $20, then all you got to do is drop a comment down below. The best comment will win $20. I will send it you via PayPal. I have got a free Facebook mastermind group. I'm in there. Other marketers are in there. We're talking about nothing but e-commerce, Facebook ads, Shopify, dropshipping, and all of that good stuff, helping each other grow. We're over 3,000 members now, so make sure you get in there and join the team. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and we can try and connect on there. Now, that is it for this video. I'll be back with another one, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So take care, and I'll see you later.
Yeah.